Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And recently I posted a poll on my YouTube kind of community channel asking or letting you guys know that I may be starting a car detailing segment to my channel. So I'll be doing automotive repairs, tool reviews and unboxings, stuff like that, as well as throwing in some automotive detailing videos. And by no means am I a professional. I've not, been in the automotive detailing field whatsoever. I have just always really liked to take care of my vehicles, and I've done a lot of research and, watched a lot of videos. So basically a doctor when it comes to auto detailing. No, not really, but the information that I have gathered over the years that I've done it to my own vehicles, I'm gonna share with you. And I'm going to be purchasing different chemicals and products to compare and kind of see how they differ, ways to save money, correct ways on how to do things and stuff like that. So I really hope you guys enjoy these segments. And yeah, but today I'm just going to kind of quickly show you through some of my stuff, and then in later videos we'll be doing unboxings of some of these products, kind of describing them to you as far as what they do and all of that. And then as we progress, we'll get into using them and different ways to wash the car and maintain the car and everything like that. We'll do exterior and interior videos, everything like that. So let me know your guys' thoughts on everything, and let's get into a closer look of everything I have here at the house as far as what I use to take care of the car. Alrighty YouTubers, so I'm about to take you through what I carry here at the house for cleaning my vehicles. I'm not going to go through right now on how everything works and how to apply it and all the details, but I am going to go through and just show you kind of what I have and briefly what it does. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy this. But we're just going to do a run through, and then in future videos we'll get into each one of these products and stuff more in depth, and we'll be doing comparisons. Up here I keep a clothes hanger. That is for if I don't have time to wash and dry my towels and stuff right after the wash, I can hang them up to make sure they don't, start to get mildewy or anything like that, because that's nasty. So up here I keep all of my cannons and stuff. This is the Max Shine foam cannon, the Chemical Guys Foam Blaster 6, and then this is actually a Harbor Freight hand pump pressurized bottle that I can use for, wheel cleaning chemicals or anything that I want to dilute down and spray. I can do that with these. And that is it for over there. Moving over to the right, this is actually my exterior wash chemicals. So over here on the left, Mr. Pink, and then I have a snow foam here in the back, Honeydew. Those are my two main soaps. Then you have the Butter Wet Wax. That is the wax we will be using. The V7 and the Speed Wipe. Those are chemicals used after a car wash or in between car washes to keep your vehicle clean with a nice dark shine. The Speed Wipe actually reduces static electricity as well. And then behind here, a guy from Advanced Auto Parts actually gave me this to try out. It's a really good brand as well. And then he gave me the Griots the Meguiars quick detailer. It had a little hole in the top of it, so he gave me that to try out as well. Moving on, we have the waterless car wash that we will be using on the Camaro that is in the garage, because it is pretty dirty. As you can see, all of the dust on it. So we'll be using it to clean off the car, and we will be using another product to protect it and everything. So that'll be a nice little video. Then I have the Silk Shine, which I use for the black trim and stuff on my Telluride, as well as cleaning up the engine bay. The Bare Bones will be for the wheel wells, cleaning those up and giving them a nice dark shine. Then I have a glass cleaner here from Chemical Guys, as well as my main one is from Sprayway. I like their glass cleaner. It's not necessarily automotive, but it does a really, really good job of cleaning glass without leaving any streaks or anything like that. Over here, I just have automotive chemicals and stuff. Here, the entire top shelf was exterior body cleaning The shelf below it is exterior wheel cleaning. So you got your quick tire foam. This is if if I'm in a hurry, but I still like the way this turns out and everything. It's got a nice deep shine to it. It's really easy to apply, and you just leave it. It foams up, it goes away, and that's it. The only downside to it is to make sure that there's no excess. Don't spray a whole lot because then you will get that stuff flinging up on the body of the car and stuff. Then I have VRP. This is a very popular chemical from Chemical Guys. That's for vinyl, rubber, and plastic, which I will be using on the tires for a tire shine, as well as the engine base, switching between that and the silk shine. Then I have 2 different wheel cleaners from Chemical Guys. We will be doing a comparison. We'll do a front rim and a back rim and see how they turn out. And then I have some metal polishes and stuff behind that as well. Over here I have all of my microfibers and brushes and stuff that I'll be using on the wheels and wheel wells and tires and everything. You got your face brush, you got your tire applicator, a couple different brushes for the lug nuts and spokes and everything. And then below that, I actually picked these bins up at Harbor Freight as well for, I believe, like $4 a piece, so really not bad at all. Next up is interior detailing. This is the new car scent and leather scent. I love the leather scent, and Chemical Guys has a lot of different scents available, but I love the smell of fresh leather. Behind that is some turtle wax, carpet and upholstery cleaner. Then I have the Chemical Guys leather detailer. This actually cleans, restores, and protects leather. They do have many other products that are stages and stuff that you use a brush for and all that, which I would do, but I try to wash my car at least once a week, so mine don't get that bad anyways. But in the future I will probably be trying out those products as well. But I really like the quick detailer. This interior cleaner, this I use for my head unit and piano black. But as far as the doors and dash, I use Meguiars Natural Shine. I don't know, it's got a great scent, and it restores OEM look. I don't really care for that heavy shine on my dash anymore. I used to, but not too much. And then I have a turtle wax behind it, the turtle wax ice interior cleaner. It's really hard to get to right now, but we'll be doing comparisons. And then microfiber towels for all of the interior use. Down here at the bottom, I have all my wash mitts and everything on the right. And then here are my applicator pads. This is the applicator pad for my Silk Shine. This is actually a rim cleaning brush. You can get this between the spokes. Nice microfiber brush. So that's a nice little setup. Over here I just have one of these like squeegee towels or whatever. It's okay. Below that I have the automotive masking tape. I use this for any time that we're going to be doing the waxing, because I don't want to get the wax on the black plastic of the car or around the mirror or anything like that, because if you don't notice it and leave it, you're going to have a really hard time cleaning it off, and as well as the chemical that you might have to use to get it off might actually pull some of the freshness from the black trim, so you might have issues. So I always try and tape it off before using that. Down here I just keep some little trees and trim tools, alcohol, brushes, stuff like that. Up here I actually have towels for the engine bay, maybe the exhaust tips and stuff, so I don't use a good towel and destroy it. Then I have my drying towel, and then inside of each of these bins are actually extra microfiber towels. Each one holds about 20 extra microfiber towels, so we're good on that. And yeah, that's it as far as the shelves. Over here I have my Greenworks pressure washer, which we will be doing a review on. Really affordable, good pressure washer for detailing cars. My Mechanic detailing stool, which has a bucket on the back, actually a couple buckets. My hose and all that. Really nice cart there. I have my shop vac. I also have a 12 volt little vacuum in the car. Then I have my brushes hanging over here. This is for the face of the tires. That is going to be for the wheel wells, and I just kind of have them hanging up here. And then I have this little performance tool. I picked this up at Advanced. Basically a leaf blower, but it's for, you know, drying off the car, because it's better than dragging towels across the car or squeegees or anything like that. I will still use a towel, you know, because this isn't going to get everything, but this will blow a majority of the water off. Otherwise I could use my bigger leaf blower, but this one filters the air, so, you know, I don't accidentally suck through a leaf or, you know, anything like that and blast it into the car. So that's nice. And then I keep my microfiber, my rubber gloves, and then down here I also keep another wash bucket and stuff as well. So that's kind of my setup. Also keep in mind, all of these products, or a majority of these products, will be linked down in the description for you guys. So if you guys are interested, they're there for you. But as we progress, you'll see the comparisons and use of each one of these chemicals and more chemicals as I purchase them. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of your thoughts, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.